Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome to Unique Astro. I am your host Saroj Kumar Samar. And today in this video, I am going to talk about fifth house of a birth chart. In this video, we will discuss about fifth house, why it is important, and what parts of our life we can see through fifth house. So let's start. Fifth house is also called as Putrasthan in Sanskrit. Putra means son. But from fifth house, not just son, but even your daughters can be seen. So fifth house speaks about your children, your future children, and specific in if you have 4 5 children, you want, then your first children can be specific things about your first children can be seen from your fifth house. Fifth house is also your romance, your romantic feelings. From feelings, we understand what is feeling. Some unique kind of thought pattern that we develop inside ourselves is our feeling. So, fifth house also speaks about your uniqueness, unique characters, unique pattern, unique intelligence that you develop into yourself. So, how we develop unique patterns, unique characters inside ourselves? The power of analyzation, to power to analyze it can be seen from your fifth house. So how we develop this? First we learn 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and then we understand the pattern, how we are actually doing the calculation. So if someone asks us what is 200 plus 300, we will say it is 400. Very easy for us because we actually know how to calculate. So that unique things, after seeing things, after analyzing things that we develop into ourselves, that uniqueness that we create for ourselves, or that makes us very different from others, is our fifth house. So there are like 500 children in your class, and why you are very different from those children is your uniqueness. There are 500 people coming for the interviews, but why you are getting the job or getting more preference, or you are more preferred than those all 500 people, is your uniqueness. And that uniqueness, that unique pattern is developed into you is because of your fifth house. So those all things can be seen from your fifth house: love, romance, romantic feelings, entitlements, fine arts, creativity, creation. These all things can be seen from your fifth house. Fourth house is the house of mother. So mother's value or mother's money is your fifth house. Fifth house is your popularity, uniqueness, why people know about you, what people think about you, is your fifth house. So it's your popularity, it's your uniqueness, it's your unique intelligence, it's your education, your degrees after your schooling, what exceptional things you learned and that become part of your life forever, is your fifth house. Fifth house is your entertainment, how you recreate yourself, how you feel good or feel bad, emotions, emotional imbalances. These all things can be seen from your fifth house. Fifth house, I already told you, it is your creative ability or creativity. And again, fifth house even is your kindness, it is your royalty, it is uh, entitlements, some kind of titles given to you, like you are said, like you are called like uh, some special name given to you, or some people know you from some with some special names, some special entitlements, like you are prime minister, you are president, or you are manager. That kind of entitlement that is attached to you is also from your fifth house. You are given the title of sir, you got any prize, you got any kind of you won some kind of title somewhere, you won the car race. Those all titles that you get just because of those all things also can be seen from your fifth house. So yeah, again, speculations, share market, these all things can be seen from your fifth house. Speculations or a share market is not just done on basis of fifth house. Eighth house is also involved in that. Eighth house is sudden things, sudden gain or sudden loss. Anything that happens suddenly in our life is eighth house, and fifth house is your brain. And fifth house is also called uh, Trikona house. It is one of the important house that takes part in Dharm Trikon. It also helps you to choose your religion, choose your path, choose your social ways, lifestyle, your political thinking, political pattern, behaviors. It also is or these all things also can be seen from your fifth house. So fifth house is your paternal grandfather. It is your abdomen, and in ladies, specifically in ladies, their fetus or their capacity to be a mother can be seen from your fifth house. And in male, along with fifth house and eighth house, one can see how is your sperm quality, or you can be a father or not, or will you have a son in your will you be a father or not, or will you only give birth to son or daughter. These all things can be seen from your fifth house. Again, uh, whoever whatever sign, zodiac sign, gets placed into your fifth house is your fifth house sign, and the lord of that zodiac sign is your fifth house lord. So if your fifth house lord gets placed with sixth house lord, eighth house lord, or 12th house lord, then your fifth house gets weakened. If your fifth house lord is combust, then also your fifth house gets weakened. And again, if your sixth house, eighth house, 12th house lord gets placed in fifth house, then again it weakens your fifth house. Now one more thing very specific that everyone must know. Ketu, placement of Ketu or Saturn or Rahu is not understood good for fifth house. For the happiness in life. Why? Ketu always makes you sober. So even your thinking and everything gets sober. Saturn, it makes you fall in romance, and it you will be romantic inside, but you will not be able to express that romance outside. You will fall in love, but you will never be able to marry that person. Even if you marry that person, there will never be a good, pleasant, happy married life. And again, Rahu, it makes you to think about so many things that you won't be able to focus at any single things. So it divides your focus. So these all things, three planets are not understood good for your fifth house. Again, Jupiter, placement of Jupiter is very unique in fifth house. Jupiter's placement makes you not to give birth to a male child, especially in ladies birth chart. If Jupiter is placed in your fifth house, then it may happen that you may not be able to give birth to a male child. For male, if you give birth to a male child, he or she will never be in your favor. This is unique with the placement of Jupiter in fifth house. Jupiter is Karak, significator of male progeny, male child in fifth house. So there are so many things that can be seen from fifth house, and specifically if you are checking about childbirth, then you must see semen, like that is Ketu. So you must also analyze your Ketu, placement of Ketu in your house, fifth house, or in any part of your chart. And again, for male child, you must always analyze placement of Jupiter's and how Jupiter is well placed or not, what kind of placement is Jupiter is having into your birth chart, and again fifth house lord. So by analyzing these two things, you can see whether you will be having male child or not. Again, about your education, fifth house and its lord's placement is going to tell you about how well educated you are, how good you are in education, or how well learned you are. So among all the houses in your birth chart, fifth house plays one of the most important part entire your life. Your entire life, when you are talking with someone, do you know who I am? Or if someone is asking you like, you are a celebrity, you are specific this, you are that, actually they are talking about your fifth house. Your achievements in life is always your fifth house. Fifth house is your achievement. That is why your titles and everything is fifth house. So how well you are going to achieve in your life, fifth house will always take part in that. Even into your profession, 10th house, the matter things, you can do well only with the help of your fifth house. It is also your luck. So if you are well educated, if you know things very well, It's not just about your education, it's about your intelligence. If you're very intelligent, then your profession will be good. People will know you based on your own uniqueness, not from your by your father or your mother. You are his son, you are her son, or like this, or you are her daughter. They will not know you from your father's or family background. They will know you from your own unique achievement, and that is what is fifth house. Fifth house is all about your uniqueness, your achievement, your unique temperament, qualities that is unique into you. So this is how fifth house is a very important house in birth chart, and it speaks so many things about us. So if anyone has any specific questions that you want to ask me, you can always message me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +91 95404 77426. One question is always free, but for other questions or in detail, you need to make a payment to me. So we'll meet again. See you. Be blessed.